Well, I'm from the East Center Mass and the east side of the island. Yeah, and the Holy Spirit come to her, which is Holy Virgin Maryam. The Holy Virgin Maryam visit me. Yeah, and I was walking down a lonely road, rocky road, and she says to me, "Where are you going?" She into a beautiful dress, but she resembled my biological mother. But my mother didn't pass off. She was alive, so me know that is not my biological mother that. Yeah? But she looked like she. And she said to me in this color, "Where are you going?" I'm stand up and just I look on her. And she said, "Turn back." Yeah. And I do so. And then it lead me here. You know, and when I came in, because I'm a musician. I do music, I play music, I sing music, right? And me down here, and then me hear a voice in my vision said to me, say, "You need to born again." So now I said, born again, you know. So I just watching it, you know, and looking and watching what's going on, and then coming to Ocho Rios in the square, I met a Rastaman, you know, and me and him reasoning, and him said to me, I get a vision. He said, "Born again, what's the meaning of born again?" And him said, where you hear that sound from? He said, "Me hear the sound, the voice of my father." And him said, "Oh, you is a man of God, because it's the people who heard that is the voice of the Almighty talk to them." So I said, "Oh." So I asked him what it is. He said, "It is baptism. Born again is baptism." Baptism. I said, "Wow." So he said to me, "There is a church where Rastafari been up by the Milford, up by Harrison Town there. Rastafari, lot of Rastafari go there, because it is His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I, send it come to Jamaica with the Abba, Archbishop, who send it come in Jamaica." And I said, "What?" I said, "Yes." So I said, "Okay." He said, the priest of the Ethiopian Church is Father Malakat. So he said, "I have to come up here and see what's going on." So I come the first day I come, and I come and see the service. I've never seen nothing like this yet in my life. Never seen nothing like this. And I could feel the presence of the Holy Spirit here. So I said to myself, "Yes, this is it. This is it." And from then, I just keep coming to church till I said to Father Malakat, "I'm ready to get baptized." And he said, "Okay, you have to come and get lessons about the church. Because the church, it come with history, it have its history, and it come with the rules and laws." And he said, "Yeah, I surrender, because a lot of things I've been through, and I know that it's the Most High God who bring I through, and so I can reach here." So I came, and he said, "You have to come get some lessons. You have to come learn the sacraments. You have to come learn the Holy Virgin Maryam prayer. You have to know the anafolas, and you know." So I said, "Okay, all right." So I get one of the liturgy, and him say you go through it, and me and him sit down and him we read together. Him show me this what this mean and what it mean. Yeah, when I have a few weeks and a month going down, and him said to me, yeah. Him said to me, yeah, I think you're ready now. And so he set a date for my baptism, and I came and I get my baptism. And from I baptized that night, that day, I feel free. I feel like something in my soul. Yeah, you know, so I can do what I feel like I want to do by myself. You know, and that's, you know, it's a joy and it's a blessings, you know. Glad to know that I am a member of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church faith.